always half as much as that.
Gusto says go up the hill. Logic says we should probably turn left.
We're right.
Oh, do you want to go up the hill?
No, I'm saying go up the hill.
No, I'm saying either we go up the hill or you can turn left. The whole, if you get to the bottom,
Oh, yeah,
just
yeah.
keep going left, it goes down there.
No, I'm okay with either. I'm okay with either.
Well, David, you want to assault the hill first, and
You what?
you want to assault the hill and see? Tell us what you think.
Which way? Go up the hill or go left?
He's good with either.
I'm good with either.
Well, you two are going to go up the hill first,
Okay.
because I may need help.
What's the hill?
I'd hate you to wear yourself out before you go up the hill.
There ain't no guarantees that I'm not gonna need help. I mean,
I guarantee I won't make it.
you know, that's the thing. None of this is guaranteed.
Nothing. Yeah.
But I mean, my
We're
desire
halfway up the hill.
is not to have to call my wife and say, honey, bring the truck
Yeah.
and the ramp.
Right.
For one reason, I got a bunch of shit in the back of my truck. I got construction.
You know, I know a guy's got a trailer
Demo.
out here.
We got a trailer, but I would prefer not. We don't have to use it too.
Yeah, I mean, but I still got to get home.
Well, here's the thing. We got to do one of them.
Yeah,
We got to go down. Or
turn around.
we turn around and go straight back up.
Don't matter to me. I'm like I said, I am cool trying whatever.
You got the biggest flag. Which one do you prefer? You got 3 choices.
I don't know, because there was some gnarly stuff coming through
that was
there,
pretty
too.
gnarly too.
Yeah.
But it's the gnarly known or the possibly gnarly unknown.
Yeah.